everybody, Hannah here again. Now I'm going to go live on Motor Yacht SYNERGY, which is a beautiful sunseeker, as you can see. Look at all these floaty toys here that you could be chilling out in. Obviously we're in a marina at the minute, so the water's a bit more murky, but we've got e-foil, a couple of sea bobs, so I'm going to step on board. A nice area here to chill out on. Walk up the stairs. Sunseeker. It's got a beautiful table here for lunch, dinners. Beautifully laid. There we go. If I go round to the front of the boat. This boat takes 8 guests. Just walk out the front. So this is going to be chartering in the BVI, obviously, this season. A nice table there, some cocktails, appetizers, nice sun pad. And the back bits here, the white parts, they come up, so you can have a chair, put your back rested, and walk back along this side. And I like this little part. It's got like a little balcony bit that comes out, so you could sit with a coffee in the morning, just looking out to sea. It's really nice. I'll continue on down. We're going to have a look at cabins.
Hello!
It's Captain. So we'll go inside. So this is the beautiful galley area. Stewardess Hannah. Hi. There she is. Little sweetie. Chef Audrey. Hi. Steward, deckhand, engineer Philip. So we go down this side. So we've got 3 cabins down here. This beautiful master. Look at this. Absolutely amazing. Beautiful. Nice area here. Look at this. We've got a walk-in closet. Look at this. Absolutely amazing. Plenty of storage. Beautiful robes. Come out here, we've got a lovely desk. This bit lifts up. Nice vanity area. You can do your makeup. There we go. Big TV. Not that you have time to watch any TV on a yacht charter. And look at this bathroom. Hello. Beautiful twin sinks. And check out this shower. Can I open it? Yep. Check this out. That looks like it's going to be quite powerful. That is going to jet the water out, which is what you're going to need after having a day in the water, snorkeling, chilling out on those lovely blow-up sun pads. There we go. Right, let's take you over the other side. We've got this cabin here. Got beautiful linens. Nice closet. Plenty of storage space. Another nice shower. All your toiletries that you'll need. There we go. And then over this side, the twin cabin. Another closet. Another beautiful bathroom. And this has got a nice rain head. I love a rain head shower. Beautiful. Okay, let's take you back up. So that's 3 cabins down on the port side. And we go up here.
And the team
we'll go through
the galley.
Exactly. So
fly bridge.
from here directly.
Audrey in her kitchen.
So they can stay out and use.
This is where the captain
I fully
helms the boat. We've got a little seating area here if you want to sit with Captain while he drives you around. And then down this side we have another cabin. And this is right at the bow of the boat. So again, we've got a little walk-in closet here. TV. Lovely shower room, rain head shower again. This really is very luxurious. Perfect for chartering around the BVI. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay, let's go back up. We'll go and check out the fly bridge.
Yeah. So you don't have to use the counter space. Quite
Thank you. Oh, I feel like I'm getting in everyone's way now. So we go up to the fly bridge. So now everyone's out of here. So this is beautiful. So if it's raining outside or it's too hot, it's nice and cool in here with the AC. You can have dinner in here if you want to. We've got all the bar area where Hannah will make your cocktails for you. They've got beautiful flowers. It smells so nice inside. You can really smell the lilies. So we just go upstairs and this is up to the fly bridge. And check this out, guys. We have a jacuzzi. So yeah, imagine sitting in that and looking out, cocktail in hand. I know you can't imagine it because we're in a marina at the minute, but imagine the lovely crystal clear water, the BVI, amazing. There's lots of seating up here. Chef Audrey was saying sometimes she'll have, you can have your dinner or lunch up here as well. So there's plenty of dining options. Another helm station. More seating. And then they've got a bar area up here as well with ice maker, refrigerator with all your favourite drinks in. Your crew, don't forget when you fill in a preference sheet for your charter, let your crew know what drinks you like and they will make sure everything's stocked up ready for you. Yeah. So yeah, this is Motor Yacht Synergy and she's going to be in the BVI. And yeah, the crew are amazing. Audrey, I know Audrey from when I used to work as a chef on yachts. She is a great chef. Yeah, the crew are fantastic. So yeah, that is Synergy. Thank you for watching.